So we'll start with that good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So one more. Inhale and exhale down. Bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. Swap them over, going up and around. Alright, so we're going to do extended forward bend. So inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, reaching forwards. Dropping the head down towards the ground. Inhale there, and exhale, come up to standing. So inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, forwards. Inhale, and exhale, back to standing. Inhale, lengthen the arms. Exhale, reaching forwards. Inhale and exhale to standing. So if you feel okay, we're going to do two more. So inhale, exhale forwards. Inhale there. Exhale, come to standing. The last one. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale to standing. Okay, balance pose, we'll do star pose. So standing on that left leg, inhale, exhale, lift that right leg up. Keep the belly button squeezed in. That leg down, do the other side. So inhale first, exhale, lifting the leg. So lengthen the arms, lengthen that leg. And coming down. So we'll do one more on each side. So we'll inhale and exhale, lifting the legs as high as you can. Try and keep the legs steady, and we're going to circle with the arms. Now we'll go the other way. So if you can, keep that leg up, and then come down. Onto the other side, we're lifting that left leg as high as we can. Once we're steady, we're going to circle with the arms. So keeping the arms straight, tension through the arms. And the other way. And coming down. For standing pose, we'll do warrior one. So have the right leg forward. Now the left leg is back with the heel down and the butt slightly angled towards the front foot. with the front knees bent. We're trying to have the hips and shoulders facing in the same direction as the toes. Now inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, relax the shoulders and try and sink into the pose. Remember though, nothing should hurt. Now if you want to take it further, bring the arms behind, interlace the fingers, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and just lift the arms. And we'll inhale, exhale, look up to the sky. Inhale there. Now exhale, bring the chest down to the front thigh, let the head drop down, and bring the arms as high as you can. Carefully and controlled, coming back to center. And we'll bring that right arm across the body and look over the right shoulder. And we'll do the other side. So that left foot is forward, right foot back. Again, trying to bring the hips and shoulders to face the same direction as that front knee and toes. Hands to the chest. And we'll inhale, lengthen up through the arms. Exhale, relax the shoulders and sink down through the pose. You can always stay there, or taking the hands behind, interlace the fingers, and just that little arm movement. Then we'll inhale, exhale, look up, inhale, exhale, bring the body forwards onto that front thigh. And make sure you're still breathing. Do not hold on to the breath. And then carefully controlled, coming back up. And take that left arm across the body, looking over that left shoulder. Yeah, we'll bring the feet back to hip width to finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. If you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. And we'll open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.